India 2040, futuristic digitally controlled cities, smart grids that renew, reuse power, water and waste, and public transportation harnessed by technology. That's the new India being envisioned as part of the $100 billion Delhi-Mumbai Industrial Corridor. A 1,500-kilometer-long dedicated railway freight line connecting Delhi to Mumbai will serve as the infrastructure backbone for this industrial corridor. Running through 6 states of NCR, Uttar Pradesh, Haryana, Rajasthan, Gujarat and Maharashtra, a 150-kilometer influence region on both sides will see 24 investment and industrial hubs being developed. The first phase sees 7 manufacturing cities being created. The brains behind the celebrated Incredible India ad campaign is now masterminding the birth of the next generation of smart cities.
Create new cities much like what the Britishers planned for, as in Mumbai as a textile city, Calcutta and Chennai as industrial cities. India has been a very reluctant urbanizer. And it's when you urbanize, it's very important today that we should be able to use technology to make a big jump forward and leapfrog by skipping certain stages of development.
Drawing inspiration from the East and roping in the world's best master planners, these cities will be compact, dense and vertical. Trunk infrastructure like water and sewage will be set up by the government, and the city building will be managed by public-private consortiums. Each of these 7 smart cities will be backed up with logistics and manufacturing hubs, airports, knowledge centers, highways and industries across sectors like auto and IT. And foreign firms are already making a beeline to be a part of this corridor.
We do have advantage in the technology of environment protection and energy conservation.
Experts believe the long-term potential for real estate in these cities will be huge.
Because there are a lot of power plants coming up, there's an expressway which is coming up, and the entire social and urban infrastructure. And that means there will be millions of square feet of space which will be coming up in office, in industrial, in retail, in logistics, in residential. So this is, of course, will be a catalyst for a massive real estate opportunity.
For a project of this scale and size that's going to touch the lives of 14% of India's population, the challenges on ground are going to be mammoth. While the issue of funding has been sorted out with the Japanese picking up a 26% stake, it's the issue of land acquisition and the political and administrative will that's going to be the big headache.
सबसे बड़ा चैलेंज जो मुझे दिखाई दे रहा है वो ज़मीन अधिग्रहण का आएगा. जो हम लोग का पिछला एक्सपीरियंस है उसके आधार पे हमें जो ज़मीन अधिग्रहण है उसमें हमें इनोवेटिव अप्रोच रखना पड़ेगा. किसानों से उनकी सहमति के आधार पे डायरेक्ट परचेज करना पड़ेगा.
With 700 million Indians expected to move to the urban centers by 2050, the Delhi-Mumbai Industrial Corridor could be a game changer for the country. But in the words of its architects, the biggest challenge that this project faces is India's ability to think big and plan ahead. Vasudha Sharma, NDTV.